everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack Daily Challenge. That is, second half reverse pattern in the C programming language. The program first prompts the user to input an integer n. It initializes an array ARR of size n to store consecutive numbers from 1 to n. The program then enters a loop, aiming to create a pattern with n lines divided into two sections. Each line has a mix of integers and asterisks in a specific order. Inside the loop, for each iteration from 0 to n divide by 2, it carries out the following steps. Prints asterisk in a sequence equal to the current iteration count. Prints the first half of the sequence of numbers from ARR until n divide by 2 is reached, inclusive. Prints the second half of the sequence in reverse, starting from the end of ARR down to n divide by 2 foot, inclusive. The temp variable helps in managing the second half of the sequence by decrementing its value by 2 in each iteration. Once the loop completes the pattern generation for all lines, the program ends. This code uses nested loops and array manipulation to form the required pattern, ensuring the correct sequence of numbers and asterisks as specified in the problem statement. Feel free to experiment with different inputs and test cases. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.